Yo, what's up?
What's up, dog?
Me and Ryan are gonna make a little burp video here. I'm gonna.
Mitch is.
Might taking off first.
Yeah, you're going all the time.
I'm letting her rip. Are you ready for this?
I'm done. I'm so done.
There's still air left inside me that didn't come out.
My stomach, old air.
Smell it, no? Alright, Ryan, it's your turn. Pretty gassy. I just ate some chili and beans. Soon enough, it's gonna be coming at the other end, if you know what I'm saying. I'll do one more. This goes out to all my main homies.
My main burping homies.
This goes to all of my main homies out there. All my subscribers. Make sure you subscribe. I think the button's right here. No, leave a comment below. Just kidding, that's my gay voice. You guys want to hear another burp?
Nice. Hang up dry like a towel rack.
Uh-oh. Some of that's still in my tummy.
There's cars in front of your house.
That's awkward air. That was gross, kind of, actually. I'll do a good one. Fuck. I can't get any more. No volume to him anymore. So, hope you liked my burping video.
On the dick and go falls.
Peace!